Gary Wagner of the Gold Forecast joins us today. Gary, welcome back.
It's great to be back. Thank you.
So the question on gold investors' minds is the metal going to start acting as a safe haven here, Gary?
Well, that obviously is the $64,000 question. We know that it hasn't acted in the way that many analysts and economists believe that it would. However, we are in a trade dispute. We haven't morphed into a full-blown trade war. Once tariffs are actually imposed, that will be a different story, and we might see some fireworks at that point.
So what are the charts showing you, Gary? At what point could these fireworks happen here?
Well, the one thing in terms of any kind of bullish news for gold, which is very hard to find, is that on this most recent decline, it went down to about 1,240. And 1,240 is the lows that were achieved in December of last year and January before the big multi-month rally ensued. In fact, the biggest rally we had this year. So the fact that it came to that point and held, to me, shows major support at that level, and that to me is a baseline that has to be held. It's a critical support level.
What happens if we were to fall below 1,240?
If we were to fall below 1,240, there is another low that came in just prior to that, and that is about $30 below that price point, and that would be the next target.
Are you seeing more of the same here on the silver front?
Silver's been most interesting because realize on this last move down, gold actually matched the lows achieved back in December and January. Silver, however, did not. It did not go down as far, and in fact had a little bit of room still to go to match the lows of December. The difference, though, with silver is silver's really been caught up in a sideways channel, and now it's moved back into the lower end of that channel. So it's got to break out of that channel before I can really get excited about silver.
So what would be a buy here for you, gold or silver, both?
Both if they start to move, but I would have to think gold because gold has the greatest potential to react as a safe haven asset if we see a full-blown trade war with the United States, which is now pitted against China, Canada, and the EU. So Trump is taking on quite a few countries. And if it turns into a trade war, we could see a different story. We could see fireworks.
Gary Wagner, thanks so much for this summer gold recap.
My pleasure to be here as always.
And thank you for watching.